Hey everyone, welcome back to GadgetVerse. Today we're taking a look at a kitchen classic that has stayed at the top of the game for decades, the KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-quart tilt-head stand mixer, this time in the beautifully soft lavender cream finish. If you've ever wanted a mixer that's powerful enough for baking enthusiasts but easy enough for beginners to use daily, this is the one that consistently delivers. The Artisan series is known for its durability, its quiet yet strong motor, and its effortless mixing performance. With a 325-watt motor and 10-speed precision control, you get smooth transitions from slow stirring to high-speed whipping, making it perfect for bread dough, cookie batter, cake mixes, whipped cream, frosting, and more. The tilt-head design gives you better access to the bowl and attachments, making it easier to add ingredients, scrape the sides, and monitor texture while you mix. The included 5-quart stainless steel bowl provides enough capacity to mix dough for up to 9 dozen cookies in a single batch, and with KitchenAid's Planetary mixing action, the beater hits 59 touch points around the bowl, ensuring even, thorough mixing with no pockets of dry or unmixed ingredients. It also includes the pouring shield, a major help for adding flour or powdered sugar without making a mess. What makes this mixer even more valuable is the full ecosystem of attachments, pasta makers, shredders, spiralizers, and more, turning the Artisan series into a multi-purpose kitchen workstation. The lavender cream color really stands out too, offering a modern pastel tone that fits perfectly in bright, warm, or minimalist kitchens. If you're looking for a long-lasting, high-performance mixer that adds style and substance to your kitchen, this Artisan series model might be the upgrade you've been searching for. Check out the Amazon link below to learn more. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow GadgetVerse for more top-tier product reviews and upgrades.